Welcome to Next Aviation and to the stunning 1999 Piper Saratoga II TC, Zulu Sierra Oscar Juliet Alpha. Are you in search of an aircraft that delivers the perfect balance of performance, comfort and safety? Well, look no further. With a turbocharged Lycoming engine boasting 300 horsepower and a cruising speed of up to 180 knots, the Saratoga II TC combines speed and fuel efficiency for an exceptional flying experience. Step inside the spacious cabin, designed for absolute comfort for all on board. With seating for 6, panoramic views, and easy boarding, it's luxury in the air. Oscar Juliet Alpha sports a deep blue leather interior, with the passenger cabin configured in a club seating arrangement. Equipped with an advanced avionics suite, Oscar Juliet Alpha ensures you're in control, offering top-tier navigation, communication, and situational awareness. No expense has been spared on keeping Oscar Juliet Alpha in tip-top shape. This is immediately visible in the striking white, blue, and silver exterior, which presents as beautifully as when it rolled off the factory floor. Ready to elevate your flying experience? The Piper Saratoga II TC is not just an aeroplane, it's a lifestyle. Let's make your aviation dreams a reality. Contact Next Aviation for more details or to schedule a test flight. Don't miss out on the adventure.